yes, because that's what I'm doing. Term 2.
Alright.
Term 2. All right.
We're doing woo.
Mathematical.
Do you want to give me a 2 for term 2? Go.
2.
Beautiful.